Today we are at the Haunted Harvest down here at Frosty's Forest Pumpkin Patch. So this is a whole Halloween festival that takes place here in Chino, California, just outside of Los Angeles. So they've got 6 different themes through one consistent maze. We're gonna take you inside the Haunted Harvest with us. So without further ado, let's go get some scares. So this is the queue line for No More Late Fees.
Yeah. Oh my God, we need to watch these movies. Oh, there's that inn. No more late fees. No more late fees. Oh gosh. Oh, I love their custom masks. Okay. No more. Oh God. Oh my goodness. There's a body there. Oh crap, here goes the corn. Ooh, this is tall corn too.
Yes, it is.
It's tall. Oh, I heard it. The hell?
What the hell was that? What the hell?
Uh-oh.
Really?
Yep. If we don't. What is that? That looks
Looks like a zombie.
dead. It looks very dead. Oh my, is that a scarecrow? It is, definitely a scarecrow. Oh, they got the vintage Halloween masks on. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my goodness. What the heck is that? Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, oh my God. That one was hiding really well. Yeah. Oh, that says Gacy
Oh,
on it.
now we're getting into Gacy.
Oh boy.
Oh, that's creepy.
Uh-oh, comes the man of the hour.
Thanks, Pogo. Uh-huh. Oh. Oh, there's a different clown. Oh, oh my. No.
These are all
No. Oh! There's another one.
Yeah, watch him.
Oh, we sure
Marco!
Polo. Disco theme.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
What's that?
Oh no.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's upside down. Okay, that's great. Thank you very much. Okay.
Nope, I'm gonna pass.
That's disturbing as hell.
It's creepy.
Oh my God.
Oh!
Wow. Hi. There's still discoing out here.
That did not sound
Shoot,
good.
what is
that?
that? I don't know, but it sees you.
What is that?
Oh, I like that.
One cornman.
It was a cornman.
Dude from
Oh,
Hill.
yep, Frosties. Oh.
Oh, hello.
Well, there's a snowman back there.
It's a little creepy.
Ay, ay, ay. What is that, a ballerina? Oh. Well, that one is. It's Krampus. What was that? Was that Santa? Well, he done stole Santa's suit. You're not Santa.
Nope.
Oh, it's like an arcade.
Oh, it is, yeah. Gordy's.
Gordy.
Oh. Look at that. That's cool.
Yeah, it's Gordy's. No, no. Dang, this one's going. Whoa, this is weird.
Whoa!
Oh my God.
What is that?
Where?
Right in front of me.
Oh, it's a body.
No, he's gone now.
Oh, it's a body. Was it that one?
Yeah.
Oh goodness. Look at this mess you made. Hey, that's not necessary. He's trying to cut me. He's trying to carve us. Already made a mess. Yeah, he did. What the heck? It's just a random arm.
Whoa. Whoa.
That's interesting.
What
I
is
don't
that?
know. Oh!
I didn't even see that.
What in the world? Oh! Okay, thank
Wait,
you.
no, you get back here. I just saw you.
What is that?
What is that?
It is
That's
not
a werewolf
Oh, it's a werewolf.
with a box.
Yeah.
Gordy. I
Hello?
don't think he likes the way we smell.
Come on, go.
Oh! Nice.
He's here to party.
That's nice.
Wow. Oh, oh.
Ah! That's not Tyler.
Ah!
Oh my.
Oh, God.
What the hell's wrong with him?
All right, guys, well, that was the Haunted Harvest down here in Chino, California. Once again, that's just outside of Los Angeles. Let us know what you thought. If you enjoyed that one, I got a bunch more haunts down here in California for you. I got the next one linked for you right here. We'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.